What's up, everybody? I'm trying this new mic out, seeing how it goes. I don't know if it'll go well. Trying to play around with the camera, trying to see if you know, it makes sense for me to be vlogging with this or not. But yeah, I'm trying this new mic out. It's a little windy. I'm not sure if how much wind's gonna pick up, but anyways, welcome everybody to the vlog. And we're headed just for a quick ride. As I said, I'm trying the new motor vlog setup out, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. Not many days like this left, to be honest with you, before the super hot temperature. So the favorite weather, my favorite weather to ride in, because it's not too hot, not too cold. And yeah, I mean, nothing else to really to it. But god damn, I should have put my pin lock visor on, because my visor's fogging up like crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly go for a ride. I gotta actually drop off a safety paper. So in Canada, in order to get a bike fully legally on the road, I don't know how it works in other states, provinces, or countries, but over here you got to do a safety, and basically that's when a mechanic checks it over. So one of my friends actually dropped off their bikes to one of our mechanics, and I gotta actually drop his safety paper off, and my tires are really fucking cold right now, so I'm just gonna take it easy. And I'm taking the 407 just because the 407 is the fastest way. And again, as I said, I forgot my pin lock visor, but it's all good. It is what it is. But yeah, enjoy the ride. We'll see if it mic actually picks up anything, and yeah. All right, guys. I don't know why they grade the concrete like this in the 407. So it's like flat here and like grooves over there, and it's so dangerous for bikes to be on that side the whole time. So I don't understand why they do it, but must be something. I'm not sure if someone knows why they groove one side of the 407. Basically, this is our paid express toll route in Canada, in Ontario. But anyways, they make it little grooves in the road here, and then they're mad flat over here. So I have no idea why they do it. I'm still trying to figure that out after years of living here. But for me, I feel like the black asphalt is the most safest. The concrete, it gets a little bit slippery when you're riding, and the problem is, like, you know, the more slipperier the surface, for sport bikes especially, it creates a nuisance. So we got a buy over here on a dealer plate, you know, going at it. I'm just cruising today. But yeah, when it's raining, this concrete becomes really damn slippery, and so it becomes a little bit annoying for me riding in the rain, which I typically don't really like to. But yeah, like for me, the main thing is just concrete. I try to keep it easy, because even though it's not as cold, it's still a little slippery because my tires are still not warm, right? So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit darker, I guess, by the time I get there, but it is what it is. I gotta drop the guy's paper off. So sometimes, you know, friends need you. So but for me, this is just a way for me to sort of be able to cruise down there, find an excuse to get down there. It's about like a 35-minute ride from my house, so I won't bore you guys with the little details. And yeah, I'll let the camera keep rolling. I don't even know how much battery percentage is left, to be honest with you. I don't even know if the voice is gonna come out proper. So we'll see about that. But yeah, beside that, hopefully the riding season this year isn't short. In Canada, that's our biggest problem. You know, our riding seasons are like 6 months, and the issue is, in 6 months, 5 months, whatever it may be, you know, you got life situations and like things to do on the weekends, and the weekdays you're working. So to get out and ride, it's actually you got to put a little bit of things away. So unfortunately, with life just the way it is, it's not possible to ride every day, especially for me, because for my work I can't just take the bike every day, so it sucks. So I try to capitalize on everything. In the summer I can, even today it's not the warmest weather right now, but again, I'm trying to capitalize on whatever I can. So hopefully the bike isn't too loud, because it is loud with the shorty exhaust. But again, it's all about trying different things, trying different mic setups before I can find out what actually works. So yeah, as I said, hopefully something works. I did order 3 types of mics and see which one works the best, and then we'll test from there. I don't know if that's a cop car or not, but we'll see. Sometimes the cop cars, you know, are all blacked out like this. You can't even tell. Oh, it's not a cop though. I am also using Hyperview, so I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I heard it's better to record with, you get a better feel of the angle. As I said, my first time ever moto vlogging. It's going to take a little bit of effort, but yeah, it's not, shouldn't be too difficult after I figure out the settings. So all right. Oh, I see somebody else there. Holy shit. Oh man, it's a little bit chilly. I actually, my visor is fogging up, and the reason is because I put my pin lock in another helmet, and unfortunately because of that my pin lock is not in this helmet. I have another Shoei helmet, and oh, another bike. R1, I think. Oh yeah. Oh man, definitely need a pin lock visor in this type of weather. Woo, I hate cold weather, man. Oh, there's the crew. There's the crew. Oh. And it's clean. Woo! All right then, we made record time, 15 minutes.
So everything is recording here.
I show you. There might be cops showing up, I'll be honest. I just escaped OPP officer on the highway, bro. It's gonna, I said hi. Alright, man. Holy. It is cold, it is cold. Heated grips.
It doesn't look big now. With the jacket, it doesn't.
You know why? Because that day when I was wearing it, I had nothing underneath. And even when I wear t-shirts and stuff underneath, it's perfectly fine.
Who was saying it was big? Rinal.
Huh? मैं करना.
Oh yeah, you didn't get introduced.
मैं तेरा इंट्रोडक्शन किसी होर ही करना बड़ो कोई नहीं. हले मेरा ही नहीं होया भाई. Okay. कोई नहीं हुण तां आ गया तू व्लॉग दे विच बस. चलदे आ. Okay, ठीक है bro. My family is gonna be like, ए बंदा गया ते आ गया की.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਠੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਉਂਦੀ. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰਾ R6 ਸੀਗਾ, ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ R6 ਤੋਂ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ, ਹੁਣ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੁਜ਼ੂਕੀ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ.
ਫਿਰ ਲੀਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੋ ਕੁਛ.
That's what riding DNA said. It's leaking somewhere here.
ਚਲਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਯਾਰ.
Yeah, it might be leaking from the headers, bro. You might तेरा spring कोई loose होगा, leak होगा ਤੁਹਾਡਾ.
Because you see how it's on the
ਮਤਲਬ
other bike.
ਜਿੰਨੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਆਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਨੀ ਇੰਜਨ ਦੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ.
Yeah. नहीं, you have a leak, bro.
ਫਿਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਕਰਾਉਣਗੇ ਨਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਭਾਜੀ
Okay.
ਰਾਈਟ ਸੇਫ
Alright, homies. Back on the road, dropped off the papers. It was a quick ride, as I said. Didn't want to be out here too long. Oh my god, I ate up my gas tank there. That's what happens when you know, have some fun. Alright guys. What I noticed about these bikes from the bikes earlier in the days is that their lighting is a lot better. But the thing is, I noticed that these bikes don't spread their light out. Like I have my high beams on right now and it doesn't spread the light out, which is wild to me. I like the lights on like the GS BMWs because they're like off-roading vehicles, and I wish that the S1K would have some sort of option for those type of lights, especially for riding at nighttime.